A&K is unique in that our business strategy is about having long-term sustainable goals in the destinations where our travellers are visiting.
In Cambodia, we have two projects. The first is clean water wells, and that means that our guests can donate wells to families in need, and we work with trusted partners to drill those wells and provide clean and safe drinking water to families.
The water in Siem Reap area usually contains the ironic, arsenic, parasites. We install the pump head as well as the water filter. So the family will have a clean, safe drinking water. It is important to me to deliver the clean water to my people because it helps them a lot to have improved their health, especially for the kids. They have more time to go to school, less sick.
បានមិនទៅអោយមានគ្រុនល្ងាអោយមិនទៅមានរាកមានចោះទៅក្នុងខ្លួនរបស់យើងមិនទៅមានគ្រុនមានល្ងាមានជំងឺឈឺសកាត់អោយមកចូលទេព្រោះយើងប្រើទឹកស្អាតបានរាល់ថ្ងៃទៅព្រៃក៏ខ្ញុំដាក់ទៅដូចជាត្បូចលពីនិយាយថាអរគុណបានអង្គការចុះមកជួយដងនេះក៏បានអោយកូនខ្ញុំប្រើប្រាស់ក្នុងក្រុមគ្រួសារខ្ញុំបានដងបានទឹកស្អាតត្រេកអរណាស់
It's a basic need of everybody and we all deserve the right to have access to clean water. Giving people the opportunity to have access to clean water for the first time and for their families to enjoy this, it's obviously very emotional.